to help your viewers fix the Steam purchase error. An unexpected error has occurred. Your purchase has not been completed. Updated for 2025. If you're seeing the message, an unexpected error has occurred, your purchase has not been completed on Steam, here's how to troubleshoot it step by step. Possible causes and fixes. 1. Payment method issues. Users on Reddit report that using the same card after a previous dispute can cause permanent restrictions. One user noted, open quote, "I used a different card and purchases worked again. My previous card was blocked due to an unresolved dispute." If you've had disputes or chargebacks before, try paying with a different card or payment method instead. Site turn Reddit 19, close quote. 2. Pending or failed transactions. Steam sometimes saves failed purchases in your cart, giving you a 72-hour window to complete them, even at sale prices. Go to your purchase history or help purchase history, cancel any pending transaction, then try again. Site to turn Reddit 13 turn Reddit 41. Hashtag 3. VPN, proxy, or IP problems. Using VPNs or proxies can block transactions. Steam support recommends disabling any VPN or IP masking and retrying both in the app and via your browser. Site turn search, one turn search. 4. IP or regional limitations. Some banks or cards are region locked or flagged for foreign transactions. One Redditor shared, open quote, "Some cards issued outside your store region simply stop working. Local payment methods worked instead. Try using local payment options, PayPal, or adding Steam wallet funds." Why do you turn search to turn Reddit 7 close quote. Shout out 5. Clear Steam browser cache on desktop. To do this, exit Steam. Go to your Steam directory, e.g.c. program files Steam. Delete everything except steam.exe, Steam apps folder, and user data folder. Then restart your PC and launch Steam again. And I don't know about turn or search. Hanner 6. Wait it out, temporary lockouts. Sometimes Steam automatically locks purchases after multiple attempts. Waiting 1 to 24 hours often resolves it. Or try buying during off-peak hours. Many users report success after a timeout and retry later. Site turn Reddit 22, #7. Try a different platform. Attempt the purchase on the Steam mobile app or web browser instead of the desktop client. Some users succeeded by switching payment methods, e.g., using PayPal instead of card. Once site turn Reddit 22 turn Reddit 8. Contact Steam support. If none of the above work, go to Steam support purchases. Find the failed transaction and submit a ticket. Let them know if your payment method has been blocked or flagged. Steam can often clear it manually. Site turn search 3 turn Reddit. Quick reference table. Cause, solution, CLOI, blocked or flagged card. Use a different payment method. Pending failed transactions stuck in cart. Cancel it via purchase history. VPN or proxy in use. Disable VPN or proxy and retry. Regional payment restrictions. Use PayPal or local payment option. Cache data causing conflict. Clear Steam browser data. Repeated attempts or auto lock. Wait 1 to 24 hours, try again. App issue. Purchase from mobile web version. No success? Contact Steam support about the ban. In summary, try a new card, clear pending transactions and cached data, avoid VPNs, and don't give up. Sometimes waiting or switching devices makes it work. If this guide helped you through Steam checkout trouble, please like and subscribe for more gaming solutions.